Partnered by Times Influence.
Hello and welcome to Brand Vision, the League Next, an initiative of Next Brands with me, Samriti Grover. After the Gala Brand Vision Summit, we are back to showcasing stories of organizations who have left no stone unturned in envisioning a better future for their brand and are working relentlessly to make a mark for themselves. This week, we get you the story of 4 such brands. Take a look. Only Vimal started its aspiring journey way back in 1966 and is known for its product quality, innovative advertising and marketing campaigns. The company has been contributing to the textile and apparel industry and is synonymous as a trendsetter in the fashion space. Let's take a look at their growth story. Colors, textures and dress materials. Fabrics and textiles that bring the society alive. And there is one such company that has been contributing from time immemorial to the textile and apparel industry. Only Vimal, a brand that is the backbone of this sector and has been contributing immensely.
Reliance textile business started way back in 1966 with manufacturing facilities being put up in Naroda near Ahmedabad. And the brand Vimal then started its journey in the domestic market. So it's been there for many decades now, one of the oldest brands in the textile business. And it had presence in menswear, womenswear, saris.
Only Vimal started its aspiring journey way back in 1966. Known for its product quality, innovative advertising and marketing campaigns, the company became synonymous as a trendsetter within the fashion space. Their iconic jingles and advertisements create a great customer recall value, giving it a unique advantage.
Now it's a fast fashion age. In this age, we believe, though Vimal has a legacy of using top celebrities, A-listers in their own platform to promote the brand, we feel that that might not be the only solution. What should sell in long term is your product and your product and your product.
Delivering on key parameters of quality, trends and contemporary collections, Only Vimal is known for providing the best experiences to their customers and since decades winning hearts of the people.
I think as a customer, when I associate with a product, I want to be myself. I don't want to be somebody else. Vimal makes me feel myself.
We are targeting to open close to 100 new EBO like this store in next 2 years. That is one large footprint we are looking at. At the same time, because Only Vimal apparel distribution was previously not extended to the MBOs as well as distribution model, which we have now opened from this year. So we will be selling through distribution and MBO also the Only Vimal apparel range.
Their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Ahmedabad speaks volumes of the brand's commitment towards giving competition a tough fight while keeping their true essence intact. Innovation and technology both are important factors which back Only Vimal to be one of the finest textile companies.
For last 2 years when we are trying to reinforce this brand, what we have done is that we have moved towards technology, because that's what the difference can make to a product. And we have introduced number of products which are technologically superior. One of the technology for which we have got patent, not only in India but even in US, this technology has been patented. It is antimicrobial, which is very useful for a tropical climate like India. So all our products today are with the treatment which is called DEO2, which is antimicrobial and which results into anti-odor also.
Celebrating decades of excellence and with great expansion plans in the near future, Only Vimal is and will be an imperious brand in India when we talk about fabrics and apparels. One of the fastest growing names in the real estate landscape, CK Israni Group, through their unique combination of technology, design and aesthetics, has been delivering quality spaces to their customers. Whether it is residential or commercial complexes and office spaces or entertainment zones like malls, the brand is committed towards providing an illuminating experience to the buyer. The real estate sector has always been tagged as the growth sector of the economy. And one such brand that is towering the momentum of growth is CK Israni Group. One of the fastest growing names in the real estate landscape, especially in Delhi NCR. The organization witnessed a unique start, swapping from the medical industry to the estate world.
The journey of CK Israni Group began in 2011 when I swapped from medical field into infra. It was a tough journey, but it was a much needed step to be taken, because that time the growth in the infra industry had just started along. So it was much needed and it had to be done. Thanks to a dedicated team and support from my family, it was possible.
Keeping in mind the ever-changing consumer demands, CK Israni Group not only focuses on the infrastructure, but also believes that providing a green space is one of the important ways to illuminate every corner of life and lifestyle. From its inception in 2010, the brand believes in transparency and quality that have helped build the trust of their customers.
Any property of ours, we make sure that it's a green building. So that's the only uniqueness, because right now the time is to make something which is green, renewable, so that we can give our children a better future. And we mostly try and implementing the use of construction waste so that we can renew it. We are still looking for platforms how to do it, but we try and implement it maximum. We stand out from other real estate giants because we have an open door policy for be it clients, be it staff. I'm completely involved in all activities. My phone is available 24 hours, so there's no problem. And we give full time to the company. Our motto is simple: speed and quality, which we do not compromise on.
Apart from providing an array of residential, commercial and corporate offices, one of the premium projects of the company is the City Centre Mall in Sector 32 Noida, which is known as one of the biggest entertainment hubs in the country.
The most premium property we've done is the City Centre Mall, which is in Sector 32 Noida, because the best part, it's the biggest entertainment hub in India right now, because it's got the largest cinema, first kids cinema of India, and it's actually the most closest project to my heart, because I've been involved in this day one since the planning, strategizing, so that's the closest project to my heart right now. The most landmark project we're doing is the Golf City, which we're doing in Sector 150. That will be a unique landmark which is still under construction phase. It's a 200-acre project which has got green golf stations from every apartment. You can have a view of the golf course.
The solutions designed by CK Israni Group have been shaped by years of innovation, giving its customers a flavor of entertainment with quality, especially through their malls, as every feature is given importance for a satisfying and cherished experience.
The architecture should be such that it should give an open environment when people walk in. There should be free space around, and people should feel comfortable coming to the mall and getting the best variety of brands so that people can actually enjoy coming to the mall.
with an endeavor to provide comprehensive solutions to all their valued customers across the real estate industry. With a unique combination of technology, design and aesthetics, CK Israni Group is looking to expand footprint and make a mark across the country.
We have to reach every corner of India. As the plan for the Indian government, the government is being very ballistic to support the infra industry. They are planning 100 smart cities. So infra is the future.
Time for a quick breather, but coming up is Presidency College and Murali Krishna Pharma. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Brand Vision, the League Next, an initiative of Next Brands with me, Samriddhi Grover. Presidency College Bengaluru is providing a holistic learning experience to their students to optimize their full potential. One of the finest B schools in the high-tech city, the college is all out to give a push to imagination and drive excellence. Take a look.
The best thing about Presidency University is they give me an opportunity to do what I want. Be it studies or be it culturals. They support me to the fullest.
The labs, they are very well equipped. The computer lab, the electronics lab, even the civil lab. We get to interact with the machines. We get a lot of technical knowledge as well.
The way the college is built and the infrastructure, it's very interactive, it's colorful, and it's not a boring place. You feel enthusiastic and always passionate towards what you want to do.
A haven for students working towards their holistic development. Presidency University offers an array of programs to its students in the field of management, engineering and law. With over 40 years of academic wisdom, Presidency College in Bengaluru was established about 3 years ago and has already garnered close to 4,000 students.
In 1976, we started a nursery school with about 8 students. And from there, over the years, we set up 7 more schools, a degree college, a business school, and now a university.
This is a university which has been awarded as the best university, as the best emerging university last year, and as the best university this year. That goes a long way to show the emerging and the potential of the Presidency University. What is very unique about the university is that we go a long way in terms of not just the academics, but also in terms of the practical experience and bringing about a bridge between the theory and the practice, which is very uncommon nowadays.
The university is built on innovative and research-oriented teaching methodology, state-of-the-art facilities, industry-friendly curriculum with concrete action plans and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of excellence. And that reflects even in their highly experienced faculty as well.
Close to 60% of our faculty are from premier institutions of the country. What I mean by premier institutions are institutions that are ranked within the top 100. So we have faculty who are either alumni of such institutions or faculty who have work experience in such institutions.
Best thing about Presidency University is the faculty who are teaching us. They have a lot of industry experience. They're brought directly from the industry and they have immense knowledge that they give to us, and so that we are ready for the industry, we are ready for the corporate world.
Through this close nurturing of talent and skills in each individual, the Educational Institute aims to transform students to become successful professionals and responsible citizens.
The first thing is to get the students closer to the real life scenario. That stands out in our curriculum. The second aspect is the delivery. We are into continuous learning, continuous assessments, and to keep the learning process in a way relevant to the kind of students we have, different batches, so make the learning process relevant to the context. And finally, the third one, probably very unique, we have built into our curriculum personal and professional development.
The entire university team is working towards to make this university as one of the top universities in the country.
The institution believes in practical experiential learning and is focused at making the youth future ready.
The best thing about Presidency University, I would say, is the exposure that a person can get. Like, even from the first year, they're encouraging us to go for competitions and things like that. And I've noticed in other law schools, they don't, first years are not given so much exposure as out here.
It is providing us holistic learning, which will make us better leaders in the future through different activities and seminars and conferences that we organize on a very regular basis.
A value-driven university working towards creating professionals that are all set to conquer the world. Our next story is a story of perseverance and a vision par excellence. Murali Krishna Pharma is committed to the pursuit of excellence through world-class products, innovative processes in the global generics industry. Their setup in Pune speaks volumes for their commitment. We get you their story. A young and dynamic drug delivery systems company providing a range of effective solutions for pharmaceutical products. Murali Krishna Pharma is committed to the pursuit of excellence in the global generics industry.
Murali Krishna Pharma is a company that was started in 2004. The company was incorporated in 2004. It's a manufacturer of manufacturing unit of pre-finished formulation intermediates. Pre-finished formulation intermediates means that you are providing a drug delivery system. There is something called a novel drug delivery system. So you are actually providing a delivery system to a drug, and that is exactly what we do.
Established by Satya Vadlamani and Dr. Vijay K. Shastri, the vision of MKPPL is to provide the best possible range of international quality products at competitive prices through integration, innovation, research and development.
We worked on a product like Paclitaxel. Paclitaxel as a product, the innovator's product, has only 18% of encapsulation ability. That means 82% of the drug is freely available in the human body. We worked on a formulation which has a 65 to 70% encapsulation ability. That means the free drug availability in the human body is reduced to around 30–35% is the free drug availability. We have also customized the product to suit a particular cancer, which is not there anywhere in the world market. So this is to ensure that the patient gets a better deal. And we have also tried to price it so that the pricing is suitable for all people.
Innovative approach, out-of-the-box thinking, that is what has made people sit up and take notice. We have strived to do something which other people have not given it a try. Like, for example, developing aqueous matrix for poorly soluble drugs. That was always going to be our USP when we started.
With the USP of manufacturing the pre-finished formulations, that is pellets using aqueous-based technology and avoiding use of solvents completely, the organization has carved a niche for itself in the pharma industry.
The USP of this plant was that it would be an aqueous plant. We would not cater to organic solvents. The feeling of our technical director and also board member of Murali Krishna Pharma and a promoter director was that organic solvents in formulations can never be removed. So residual solvents become a major issue, and residual solvents lead to carcinogenic toxins in the human body, which is the reason why we decided to go ahead with a system which would not allow us to use solvents. So we tried to create an aqueous loading system in the plant.
But the journey has not been easy for this brand. They have had their share of struggles but emerged victorious. And today MKPPL boasts of a clientele base of close to 60 leading international companies with a cumulative growth of 60% from the last 3 years.
We faced two major recessions. The 2009-10 recession, which everybody knows of, 8-9 rather, of the US, and we were also hit by that recession because we were doing reasonably well. We were on a CAGR of around 60%, and we were actually doing an IND, which is an innovative new drug application for US, for a company in the US, and for that we had actually shut the plant down for a period of around 4 months. which was tough because we were a new plant also. We had to shut the plant down, get it ready for the US FDA. Having done all that, when we were to sign the term sheet, which was to be signed around December 2008, we get the news that the world economy has collapsed. Companies that were purchasing tons of material from me started trickling down to, where I was selling 10 tons, 500 kg, 600 kg, 700 kg, and life got very tough. So in fact, the first year we posted a loss was in 9-10. It continued in 10-11. 10-11 we got new investors into the company, disinvested a lot of stake. But after that again we started getting back onto the growth track.
Today we have managed to survive in the competitive market, and that is because we have been able to attract niche clients towards us. Today some of our customers, without advertising for ourselves, some of our customers have realized that we do have something different from the others in terms of our products. We are differentiated in terms of technology, and that is where they are now discussing more aggressively with us.
The company now plans to spread its wings by moving towards the oncological segment with a focus on new and novel drug deliveries with an eye on patents. With that, we come to an end of today's episode. We'll be back next week with stories of more iconic brands. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Partnered by Times Influence.